Welcome to the video on microorganisms, friend or foe. In Module 1, we will cover the terminology, types, and habitat of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, and viruses. Microorganisms are tiny living organisms, invisible to the naked eye, and about 1 micron in size. They can only be seen with a powerful compound microscope. The word microscope comes from the ancient Greek words mikros, meaning small, and skopion, meaning to look or see. The study of microorganisms is called microbiology, and the scientists who study them are microbiologists. There are several types of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Each type has distinct characteristics and appearance. Microorganisms are found everywhere on Earth because they can tolerate extreme temperatures. They are present in soil, water, air, and dust, from hot deserts and hot springs to ice-cold glaciers. They are also found in dead and decaying organisms, and even inside our bodies. Microorganisms can live alone, like amoeba, or in colonies, like bacteria and fungi. To survive extreme environmental conditions, they can form a hard outer covering called a cyst. Bacteria come in various shapes. They can be circular, rod-shaped, curved, or have other complex shapes. Examples include Diplococci, Streptococci, and Streptomyces, illustrating the diversity in bacterial forms. Bacteria are classified into different types based on their shape. The bacillus type is rod-shaped, with examples like Lactobacillus and Mycobacteria. Coccus bacteria are spherical, such as Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Other bacterial types include Spirilla, which are spiral-shaped, and Vibrio, which are comma-shaped. Examples of Spirilla include Spiracetti, and Vibrio cholerae is a well-known example of Vibrio. Algae are simple plant-like organisms with cell walls and chlorophyll, allowing them to make their own food through photosynthesis. They lack roots, stems, or leaves, and can be unicellular or multicellular. Algae live in water, moist soil, and on rocky surfaces. Examples include unicellular Chlamydomonas and multicellular Spirogyra. Fungi are plant-like organisms but do not contain chlorophyll. They can be unicellular, like yeast, or multicellular, such as bread molds, mushrooms, and penicillium. Fungi generally grow in dark, warm, and moist conditions, with a mode of nutrition that is saprophytic or parasitic. Protozoa means quote, first animal, and refers to unicellular organisms with animal-like characteristics. They are found in fresh and salt water, as well as damp soil. Protozoa are saprophytic and parasitic. Examples of parasitic protozoa include Trypanosoma and Giardia, while amoeba and paramecium are other types. Viruses do not have a cell body or structure like other microbes, and they cannot reproduce by themselves. They only reproduce when they enter a host cell. Since reproduction is a key characteristic of living organisms, viruses are considered a link between living and non-living things. In this module, we will be exploring the usefulness of microorganisms, their commercial applications, and the process of fermentation.